All right, let's cut right to it. We're here to install a new operating system. A mandate for action. This isn't your feel-good, gentle advice column. This is a final warning. You are living below your potential, and that stops now. So listen up.
Stop. That's right. Look right here. I'm talking to you. No scrolling, no distractions. Just you and me.
You clicked on this for a reason. Don't lie to yourself. Deep down, under all the noise and the excuses, you know, you feel it. You were built for more. But you've let mediocrity chain you down. Well, today, we break those chains. Let's get one thing straight. This isn't about gentle encouragement. I am not here to pat you on the back. I am here to demand the greatness that is lying dormant inside of you, to unleash the absolute force you were meant to be.
Get this through your head, starting right now. This is your new identity. You are not some delicate, fragile thing. You are a tank. You are a weapon of execution, designed for one purpose: to move forward and to obliterate anything stupid enough to stand in your way.
Okay, before we go any further, we need to get one thing locked in your brain, a fundamental truth. It's time you understood the sheer, undeniable scale of your own value.
Seriously, have you ever stopped to think about it? I mean, really think about it. The insane, impossible odds of you, this exact combination of thoughts, feelings, and DNA being right here, right now.
Look at that number. 1 in 400 quadrillion. Do you get it? The universe gambled for eons, through cosmic chaos and perfect timing, just to create you. You aren't just special. You are a statistical impossibility, a living, breathing miracle.
So every single time you let doubt creep in, you are spitting in the face of a cosmic victory. You are the grand prize. You're the jackpot. Stop acting like you're second place and start demanding the respect your very existence has already earned.
And hey, this isn't just some abstract cosmic idea. It's in your blood. Look at this. Your ancestors, they were survivors. They beat famine. They stared down war. They overcame unbelievable odds that would make you sick to your stomach. And they did all of that to lay the foundation for you. You are the victory lap of a lineage that refused to lose. Okay, now we go to war. It's time to weaponize your mind against self-sabotage. You are the CEO of your mind. You're not the janitor just cleaning up whatever mess pops into your head. It's time to take control. Let's reframe all that garbage you've been telling yourself. You see this chart? Your so-called flaws and mistakes? They're not failures. They are data points for your next win. Those struggles making life hard? That's not punishment. That is weight training for your soul. And you are not broken. You are in development. And for the love of God, stop comparing their chapter 20 to your chapter 1. Who cares about their bigger car? You're focused on your blueprints. Who cares about their finished life? You are staying in your lane, building your empire. Your mission is your impact, not their approval.
We are redefining what success means, right now. It's not some huge, far-off event. It's a stack of daily, aggressive victories. Did you get out of bed this morning? Guess what? That's a win.
Did you learn one new thing? Did you take one small step forward? Did you just decide to get better by being here? You win.
Did you keep one tiny promise to yourself today? You win. Success is nothing more than a giant pile of these daily wins. Start stacking them.
You want to know how I know you're tough? Just think about what you've already survived. You've walked through fires that would have turned other people to ash, and you are still standing. That's not luck. That is pure grit. And it is your greatest asset. You are unbreakable, unless you choose to hand over the key. Okay, enough talk. Theory is over. We are moving from thinking to doing. You're done being a philosopher, sitting around wondering. You are now an operator, and operators execute. Listen up. These are your new standing orders every single morning, non-negotiable. 1, you face the general. You look that person in the mirror right in the eye. That is the warrior who's going to win today. 2, you declare your destiny. You point, and I mean point, and you state your oath. 3, you lift the weight. Challenges aren't problems. They're opportunities. You don't complain about them. You crush them. And this is your oath. Read it. Burn it into your memory. Say it with me right now, out loud. I am incredible. I am the best.
I am unstoppable. Watch me dominate. This is the most important appointment of your day. You say it until you feel it in your bones. Don't you dare skip it, ever.
So this is it, the final phase. This is about the story of your life. And the choice is brutally simple. Are you writing an epic that will echo for generations? Or are you writing a lazy footnote in someone else's story?
Stop trying to fit in. Stop fading into the background. You were built to be a monolith, a towering landmark, to live so loudly, so boldly, that the world has absolutely no choice but to stop, turn its head, and watch what you are building.
Stop waiting. The perfect moment is a lie. We tell ourselves to stay comfortable and weak. The time is now. This is not a practice run. This is not a dress rehearsal. The curtains are up. This is the show. This is your life.
You have the blueprint. You have the power. You have the permission. Now get up from wherever you are and go be the absolute weapon you were born to be. Go!